Yoshi Rico, can't he do it? Yoshi Rico, no he can't. Thomas, Percy, Gordon, Baby Jekyll, what do? Diego, Skeleton, Bluebird, Norman, do? Yoshi Rico and the gang have so much fun. Yoshi Rico, can't he do it? Yoshi Rico, no he can't. 1, 2, 3, 4. I only have 4 English DVDs. If you want me to get more English DVDs, then let me know in the comments down below. NES Classic Mini. Yoshi. Hey guys, Yoshi Rico here. And today I'm just going to do another DVD collection video, and that is my Go Diego Go DVD collection. And yes, I know my room is still very messy. I really need to clean up my room again. Wait, are these Coca-Cola bottles? Ew, there's even some Coca-Cola inside. Ew. This almost looks like pee. Disgusting! But anyways, let's waste no more time. Alright, here we go. First up, I have... Hello! Bluebird, what are you doing here? I just wanted to have some screen time! Woo! Woo! Bluebird, get out of the way! You are ruining my DVDs. And you are ruining my DVD collection video. Aww, I'm sorry. I just wanted to help. Alright, Bluebird, you can help me. Yeah! Alright, guys, so here is Yoshi Rico's Go Diego Go DVD collection. First up, it has Wolf Pup Rescue. Here's the front, the side. Bluebird, come over here. Oh no! What happened? This happened! Oh, Bluebird! Oh, I'm sorry. I just wanted to help. Get out of here! Okay, this wasn't supposed to happen. Shit. Whatever, it's now time to clean up. I hope that my DVDs aren't damaged. Alright. My beautiful Go Diego Go DVDs. Oh, hey Yoshi Rico. Oh, hey Skeleton. Have you seen Bluebird somewhere? What? I need to go now. Bye! Okay, that was pretty weird. Oh, Go Diego Go DVDs. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Meow.